Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by stabilizing the cup. Place the Sambrani cup on a heat-proof tray and fill it half with ash or sand so heat spreads evenly. Next, set one quick light charcoal on the tray, close to the cup but not touching it. Make sure you have tongs, a lighter, and your Sambrani paste or resin ready. Once done, you will light the charcoal first. This creates the consistent heat source the Sambrani needs to smolder rather than flare. Light the charcoal and wait for a gray ash rim. This takes about 2 to 4 minutes and indicates it's evenly hot. Then, using tongs, lift and place the charcoal gently into the prepared ash bed inside the Sambrani cup. This prevents direct contact with the metal and stabilizes heat. Once the charcoal sits secure, add a small pinch of Sambrani paste or resin to the center. You want slow smoldering, so don't overload. This ensures steady aroma release and minimal sparks. You finish by controlling the burn. Watch the smoke and add tiny amounts of paste to increase scent or remove material to tone it down. If the charcoal fails to maintain ember, swap in a fresh piece or gently blow at the edge to supply oxygen. You will see the ember re-establish. Once your session ends, extinguish by covering the cup with a lid or burying the charcoal in sand to cut oxygen. This safely stops smoldering. If you smell chemical notes, discard paste and use natural resin next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.